It's your girl Hunchovb VB. Today we're going to have a good old fish fry in the air fryer. I'm using some catfish. And I'm going to bread my catfish with my favorite breader, the Lefty Spices. If you use, depending on what type of breading you use, you don't have to season it. And I know Lefty's is highly seasoned, so I'm not adding anything else to it. Here's my catfish that I have cleaned and cut up into pieces. I took one egg and beat it up and put it into the baggie and squish the egg around the fish. Just doing a shortcut. And for today, I'm going to I put my breading. I put my breading in this. It's called a breader. I saw this on Cooking with Doug. He had this listed as one of his accessories, so I figured I'd give it a try. So here again, I have my breading is already in there, and so I'm going to throw in the catfish. Okay, let's shake that up. Okay, let's shake this thing up. Oh, okay. Let's shake off the excess breading. Oh, okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's get this over into the air fryer. Okay, I sprayed the fish with some cooking spray. I did the coconuts. I sprayed the fish with some coconut oil. You've seen me use this before. You've seen me use this before, the coconut spray. Okay, let's get it into the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to set this is I heated up the air fryer for about 3 minutes, and I'm going to put it on 400 for about 12 minutes because the catfish that I have is a thicker cut of fish. So see you back in a few. Okay guys, look how I took the fish out. It did go the full 12 minutes at 400. I flipped it midway and I sprayed on the other side with the oil. And the sizzle, listen to the sizzle. Oh, it looks good. I'm ready to get my eat on. Okay, let's get this plated. Okay guys, I got my plate here. And this is what I would order if I was going to get me a fish plate out. With my fried fish, which is air fried, my fries, and coleslaw. Oh, I made me some, these are garlic fries I made. Okay, let's try it. Squirt on a little lemon. You hear the crunch? Good, really good. This is a wrap. This is good. Try this. I hope you enjoy it. So until next time, Hunchovb VB is out.